Yep, yes. We were doing this exercise 3.4, how to find inverse of 3 by 3 matrix using elementary operations, and one was homework question. So from this exercise, last 15, 16, 17 questions are there. Out of that I will do 16 question. Okay, remaining you can try. So and then this exercise will be finished. 1, 3 minus 2, find inverse. Question number 16. Minus 3, 0, minus 5, 250. Yes, you know that this is long answer type. Okay, 6 marks type question. So first we suppose it by. So that is the answer of last video, you can check this. 1, 3, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. This is the question. We suppose it by 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. Yes. Then you know that the second step is what we can write. A is equal to IA. Okay. So what is A? 1, 3, 2, minus 3, 0, 5, 2, 5, 0. I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and A. So you know the method. What we have to do now, we have to make it 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. We have to make this identity. Okay. So last video we discussed. Now we have to get like this. So you know that this is first step, second step, third step. This is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Like that we do it. Okay. So first step is 1, making 1. Already 1 is there. Then now you should get here 0. So how you get 0 here? R2 gives R2 plus 3R1. Why? Because minus 3 plus 3 ones are 3, it becomes 0. So R2 will change. R1 same, minus 3 plus 3 ones are 3. 0 plus 3 threes are 9. Minus 5 plus 3 twos are minus 6. And everything same. Okay. So right side also you have to change. Yes. 1, 0, 0. R2 plus 3R1. 0 plus 3 ones are 3. 1 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Everything same. Yes. Then what we get? 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 9, minus 11, 2, 5, 0. Here 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes. Say first step, second step, third step. Now I have to get 0 here. So R3 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2, it becomes 0. 1, 3, 2, 0, 9, 11. Now we have to make this 0. 2 minus 2 ones are 2. 5 minus 2 threes are 6. 0 minus minus plus 2 twos are 4. Okay. Everything same. Here same. 3, 1, 0. R3 minus R3 will change. R3 minus 2 R1. So 0 minus 2 ones are 2. 0 minus 0. 1 minus 0 into A. Yes, into A. What we are getting? 1, 0, 0. 3, 9, 1. Minus 2, 11, 4. Is equal to 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, minus 2, 0, 1. Yes, this we got. Next step. Yes, we got 1 0 0. Now we should get 1 here. Then you should decide how we get 1 here. Directly you can take, R2 gives R2 divided by 9. R2 divided by 9, I get 1 here. So 1 3 2, 0 by 9 0, 9 by 9 1, 9 by 9 11 by 9, and everything same, because we have to get 1 here. 0 minus 1 4 is equal to 1 0 0, 3 by 9 1 by 9, 0 by 9 0 only, minus 2 0 1. Yes, so we are getting what? 1 3 2 0 1 11 by 9, 0 minus 1 4, 1 0 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 9 0 minus 2 0 1 8. Yes. The next step, see, we got 1 0 0, we got 1. Now I have to get 0 here. Okay, so here you write implies sign every. So how you get 0 here? R1 gives R1 minus 3 R2. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 1 minus 3 into 0. 3 minus 3 ones are 3. Minus 2 minus minus plus 3 into that, 33 by 9. This is same. Yes, everything same is equal to R1 minus 3 R2. 1 minus 3 ones are 3 by 3. 0 minus 3 ones are 3 by 9. 0 minus 3 into 0 0, and everything same. Minus 2 0 1. Yes. Next step, what we are getting? 1 0 0. This is 0 1 minus 1. This you can cut it. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 threes are. So 3 twos are minus 6, 11 minus 6 5, and everything same, right, is equal to 3 3 cut 1 1 minus 1 0, 1 by 3 0, 1 by 3 1 by 9 0, minus 2 0 1, and this is same. The next step, yes, see, you got 1 0 0 0 1. Now you have to get 0 here. So by which application? R3 plus R2. R3 gives R3 plus R2. Because R3 plus R2 minus 1 plus 1, you get 0 here. Okay. So 1 0 5 by 3, 11 minus 6. Yes. 0 1 11 by 9. What application we are taking? R3 plus R2. 0 plus 0 0, minus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 11 by 9. Yes, is equal to 0 minus 1 by 3 0, 1 by 3 1 by 9 0, R3 plus R2. See, R3 plus R2, minus 2 plus 1 by 3, 0 plus 1 by 9, 1 plus 0. The next step, so what we are getting is 1 0 0 0 1 0, 5 by 3, 11 by 9, 9 for the 36, 36 minus 11. So 36 minus 11, 25 by 9, 0 minus 1 by 3, 0, this as it is, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0, 3 to the 6, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 3, 1 by 9, 1, yes. Next step. So now you should decide that you got 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now you have to make this 1. So how can I get 1 here? R3 gives, because I have to get 1 here, R3 is multiplied by 9 by 25. Yes. When here 25 by 9 is there, you multiply it by 9 by 25. 9 by 25 into 25 by 9, it becomes 1. Because we have to make this 1. 1, 0, 5 by 3, 0, 1, 11 by 9, 0, 0. So 9 by 25 into 25 by 9, 1. Okay. Remaining same. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0. So 9 by 25 into R3. 9 by 25 into 5 by 3. 9 by 25 into 1 by 9. 9 by 25 into 1, 9 by 25. Yes. Then. So it's long answer type. This you know already. Yes, we got 0, 1, 0. Now I got 1 here. 5 by 3, 11 by 9. This is same. Is equal to 0, minus 1 by 3, 0. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0. This how much? 3 3s are cut. 5 1s are 5 5s are cut. So minus 3 by 5. And here 9 9 cut, 1 by 25. This is 9 by 25. Yes. See, after getting 1 here, you know that now we get 0. Here we get 0. So 5 by 3 minus, how I get 0? R1 I have to change. R1 minus 5 by 3 into R3. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 ones are 5 by 3, it becomes 0. 1 minus 5 by 3 into 0, 0. 0 minus 0. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 ones are 5 by 3. Remaining all same. 0, 0, 1. Here R1 minus 5 by 3 R3. 0 minus 5 by 3 into minus 3 by 5. Yes. 5 by 3 R3 minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 1 by 25. 0 minus 5 by 3 into 9 by 25. And everything same. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0. Minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25, everything same. Okay. Then see. We are getting what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 11 by 9, 1. And here 3, 3 cancel, 5, 5 cancel, we get 1. Minus 1 by 3, this cut. Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 15. These calculations we can do here. Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 15. So make it into 5, into 5. So 15 is LCM, minus 6 by 15. So how much that? This calculation, you are getting minus 2 by 5. Here 5 5 cut, 3 3 cut. So 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Okay. And everything same. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 0. Minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Final step. What finally we have to get 0 here. So we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So how you get 0 here? Last step. R2 gives R2 plus 11 by 9 into R3. See, minus 11 by 9 plus 11 by 9 into 1, it becomes 0. Okay. So 1 plus 11 by 9 into 0 is 0. 1 plus 11 by 9 into 0, 0. 0 plus 11 by 9 into 0, 0. 1 minute, because we have to change R2. Yes, we have to change R2. So R1 will be same only. Yes. R1 will not change. R2 plus 11 by 9 into this. So 0 plus 0 only. 1 plus 0 only. Minus 11 by 9 plus minus 11 by 9 plus 11 by 9 ones are 11 by 9. So now you get 0 here. 0, 0, 1. Yes. Is equal to. So R2 will change. 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Okay. 1 by 3 plus R2 plus 11 by 9 into 11 by 9 into minus 3 by 5. Clear? Yes. 1 by 9 plus 11 by 9 into 1 by 25. Last. 0 plus 11 by 9 into 9 by 25. And this is same. Minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Then finally what we are getting? Yes, see, we got 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Finally we got here identity matrix. And these calculations 1, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Yes, here all calculations 3 3s are. So 1 by 3, this is A. 1 by 3 plus into minus minus 11 by 15 minus 11 by 15, you see. So these calculations make them equal into 5 into 5. 15 is LCM 5 minus 11 minus 6. 3 2s are 3 5s are minus 2 by 5. This how much? 1 by 9 plus 11 by 225. See, 1 by 9 plus 11 by 225. Make them equal. Into 15 into 25 into 25. Because 25 9s are 225, 225, LCM is 25 plus 11, 36 by this. 9 4s are, 9 2s are, 9 5s are. So 4 by 25. And that what? 9 9 cancel, 11 by 25. So 3 by 5, 1 by 25, 9 by 25. Finally, we can say that, hence, we know that A into A inverse is I. This is I. Hence, this is called A inverse. 1, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 25. Okay. 1 by 25 minus 3 by 5, 11 by 25. This is the final answer. So this was long answer type. So it's completed. Yes. Then you will see next 3.4. So 3.4 exercise completed. Yeah, 1, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 4 by 5, divided by 25, minus 3 by 5, 1 by 25. So I was checking the answer. So this is textbook question. So the answer is that. So you can see the answer in textbook also. Okay. And the other questions you can try. 15th, 17th you can try. So by this exercise completed. Now last exercise is there, miscellaneous exercise. So in that exercise, question 15 and 17, you must do it and check the answers in textbook. In miscellaneous exercise, in the last exercise, yes. See the first question is, let A is 0, 1, 0, 0. Show that AI plus BA power n is equal to ANI plus NAN minus 1 BA, where I is identity matrix of order 2, where I is identity matrix of order n belongs to n. Yes. So miscellaneous exercise, the first question. Actually here first three questions are of different types. See, AI plus BA power n, we have to prove that this is equal to ANI plus NAN minus 1 BA. So if it is said A square, so you can multiply it 2 times. A cube, you can multiply it 3 times. But here you have to multiply n times. So any question of this type, we use induction method. So first 3 questions are of different type. So for first 3 questions, what we do, we use induction method. Let us prove this by the principle of, we write like this, by the principle of mathematical induction method. See, which was there in 11th class. Let us prove this by the principle of what? Mathematical induction method. So we suppose this complete question by Pn. Yes, what is Pn? AI plus BA power n is equal to ANI plus NAN minus 1 BA, where n is any natural number. Yes, first taking n is equal to 1. So you check both the sides. AI plus BA power 1, A power 1, A power 1 minus 1 BA. So AI plus BA, A into I, AI, plus this becomes A power 0, 1, so BA. You check both the sides, you got equal. So therefore Pn is true for n is equal to 1. The first step completed. Now the second step. Usually we assume. So we take 3 steps. Principle of mathematical induction method means we take 3 steps. N is equal to 1, n is equal to k, n is equal to k plus 1. You should know this principle of induction method. So now second step, n is equal to k. Let us suppose Pn be true for n is equal to k. So that Pn becomes Pk. AI plus BA power k is equal to AKI plus KA k minus 1 BA. Yes. Now third step is the main step, is n is equal to k plus 1. So we find Pk plus 1. Yes, this we are finding now. So what is Pk plus 1? AI plus BA power k plus 1. We find what? AI plus BA power k plus 1. At what answer we must get? We must get AK plus 1 I, k plus 1 A, k plus 1 minus 1 BA. So we are finding AI plus BA power of k plus 1. Next step, I can break it. This power k and this power 1. Bases equal, powers added, that way. So what is the value of this? You see, its value is AKI plus KAK minus 1 BA closed, and this is same AI plus BA. Next step, we use distributive law. See, after that, here we use distributive law, distributive property. Yes. So AKI into this, what is PK plus 1? AKI into AI plus BA plus KA minus 1 BA, KA minus 1 BA into AI plus BA. Then you see, we multiply it. AK into this, again distributive property, AK into A, AK plus 1, I into I into I plus AK B, I into A, yes, plus K A K minus 1 plus 1 B A into I plus K A K minus 1 B B into B square A into A square. Yes, now what happens? AK plus 1 I into I plus AKB I into A place. Here this gets cancelled. KAKB A into A. Here you know, because A is 0 1 0 0, A square will be 0 matrix. Oh, what is A square? This is 0 matrix. Oh, so we can ignore that. This is 0 matrix. So finally, AK plus 1 I. Here we take common what? AKBA we get common. You see, AKBA, if we take this common, what will be left? This ones are this plus K. Yes, this is left. You can write finally what, you know, K plus 1. This is K plus 1. AK is K plus 1 minus 1 BA. You check the answer now. See, you got AK plus 1 I, K plus 1 A, K plus 1 minus 1 BA. Exactly correct. Therefore, Pn is true for n is equal to K plus 1. Therefore, Pn is true for all n belongs to n. Hence proved. Finally, you should write what you know. Hence proved AI plus BA power n is equal to ANI plus NA n minus 1 BA. Yes, this is completed. So first question we did know. Second, third is same type, you can try. So we stop today. Thank you.